What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, I'm in the middle of Christmas decorating my house. Yes, Christmas decorating. So before I completed this little project, I'm like, what? Wait a minute. I know my viewers probably can get some usage out of this as I'm about to. So anyway, y'all, I wanted to show you how I'm going to just turn this, what you call it, a cork board into a blackboard. Now y'all see this cardboard is already jacked up on the front. And I got an idea for that too later on. But for now, I don't know if y'all remember in the previous video, I used this as a calendar. I turned it into a calendar, but I really wasn't using that bad boy. So I said, you know what? I don't like wasting. And at first I was going to tear all this off because it already was coming out. I'm like, why go through all that trouble when you could just flip that bad boy around, bam, and then use the back. How about that? So then that way I can use the other side as well. So anyway, all you need is a cork board, some chalkboard paint. Can y'all see that? Chalkboard paint. And then I'm going to use this duct tape as my masking tape to go around because I don't want to have that to be black. So I'm just going to tape this around the edges and spray paint this bad boy. So when I'm finished, I'll come back and show y'all the finished results. Okay, I've taped it up so the edges will not be black. So I just, of course, as you see, went around the edges. So now it's time to spray. Okay, guys, this is how it looks after I, spray painted. You can see like it's look a little spotchy. Spotchy, is that a word? Yes. With this flash on it, but with my naked eyes, I don't see that many spots, and it's good enough for me. But if it's not good enough for you guys, just, add another coat. Also, the material that's behind your cork board is still paper-like. It is paper. So you're going to get like some little, what you call it? It's not going to be the smoothest of surface. So if that bothers you, don't do this DIY, okay? For Kenya Levitt, it does not bother me, okay? So I'm cool with it. Also, I don't think you necessarily have to use chalkboard paint. If you just got black spray paint, I think you're still going to be able to use that to use the chalk on it. Now, I ain't 100, but I'm just saying sometimes you got to work with what you have. And if you just want a black surface and use your your chalk, I think it may work just fine. So that's just my little pennies to add to this little DIY. So I'm going to remove the tape around it and place it where it needs to be. All right, guys, and this is my finished product. Put it on an easel that I had already. And y'all, that was my first go around. I found an image on line and I just did my best with it. I got the general idea and I put it on there. Now I will tell you right now, if you make a mistake, you are going to see it a little bit. So maybe a little, I don't know, I ain't gonna say no water, but I don't know how to get rid of it. I'm gonna just keep it like that. So I want to tweak it or whatever if I have some suggestions of how to, if you do make a little mistake, how to get rid of it. But for the most part, as you see, you can write on it easily. It comes out real nice. And you see that tape also jacked up the siding because it was too strong. So it doesn't bother me. I might put a little paint on it. We'll see. Yeah, I'm very easygoing when it comes to my crafts. I know mistakes will be made, so I'm not that picky. I always leave room for an error of margin of error. Hey, yes. So anyway, this is the finished product, guys. And y'all already know I love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday. Why I do that every time, Lord? See you guys next Sunday.